in the underground. There's no stopping us and do it for a glorious. That's why we glorious. Bodacious, correlations, sensual vivacious. Go ahead, social butterfly. Now's your time to shine. Best believe I'm the greatest alive.
Check it out. We live down here at Roosevelt High School in Washington, D.C. Good old Northwest, uptown, baby, Petworth area. And since we're down here on the football field, I'm down here to talk about football, NFL, Dallas Cowboys, Terrell Owens, Jerry Jones. Get your mind right. What were you thinking cutting Terrell Owens, of all people, as if he was the problem of y'all season last year? Terrell Owens was not the problem. Romo was the problem, and Jason Garrett, your offensive coordinator, they were the problems. And the offensive line. Romo, 6 interception a game ass, and Jason Garrett, a non-creative playbook ass, is the reason y'all had a fucked up season. Terrell Owens had one of the best seasons of his career, the best season as a Cowboy. You know what I mean? He was one of the only ones producing. Him in the defense, you know what I mean? So to cut Terrell Owens, what's your problem? Jerry Jones, get your mind right. You know what I'm saying? Romo, fumbling, interceptions, running around, confused. And you gonna cut Terrell Owens? What's wrong with you, Jerry Jones? Get your mind right. Now, everywhere T.O. has been, he has produced. He has produced in San Francisco. He produced in Philadelphia. You saw what Philadelphia what happened to Philadelphia when he was with them. They went to the Super Bowl. After he was gone, you see them tank until this current past playoff season. You know what I mean? Where they finally got it together. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all got Roy Williams, and that's great, but he ain't Terrell Owens. You know what I mean? Terrell Owens was the one that put that threat. When Baltimore played the Cowboys, Baltimore, Ray Lewis didn't say that something was wrong with Terrell Owens. Ray Lewis said that we're not going to have a problem with the Cowboy offense because it's simple and it's basic and it's elementary. That falls back on the coach, the offensive coach, the coach, and Jerry Jones, not Terrell Owens. So it's obvious that Terrell Owens was used as a scapegoat here, you know what I mean, as the fall guy. But it's all good, because now he about to go to Buffalo and put up more stats. You know what I'm saying? That's all the guy does is produce and put up stats. He's a winner. And when you're a winner, you don't like to be around a bunch of losers that can't step up to the plate. And that's where his problem is. And he speaks the truth and he speaks his mind, and people don't like it. I'm a Jerry Jones fan. I love him because he's straightforward. You know what I'm saying? And he pulled no cut cards, but Jerry Jones, on this one, you dropped the ball, baby. Get your mind right. And we out.